Kalimera, Kipsters. Watch this entire video to find out what Kalimera means and in what language it is. Also, I'll give you several answers for free during this video. Watch closely. All right, remember our objective for today. By the end of today, you will be able to tell me the lesson that a short story is telling you. If you can prove that to me in the exit ticket, then you are on a roll. All right, we are looking for the steps to find a theme. We've already done it twice this week. I think that you already know them. So first we're going to find what is the character's, think about it, say it out loud, what is the character's beginning situation? Secondly, what is the character's, give me a dab if you said what is the character's ending situation? What did the, I know you know it, kiss your brain if you said what did the character learn? And lastly, what can Michael Jordan learn? Just kidding, you know better than that. What can we learn? All right, Kipsters, let's look at our text for today. Here's your steps right above so that you don't forget. All right, we're going to be talking about guitars in today's text. Read along with me. Look at the definitions on the side for words that are in a color. Here we go. After guitar lessons, Jerry and Martin went to Martin's garage where they could practice some more. Martin strummed his guitar, trying for the G chord he had just learned. Jerry looked over. Wait, is this it? Jerry asked, positioning his own fingers. That looks right, said Martin. He strummed again, and then Jerry tried it. How come it sounds so weak? Asked Jerry. Because we're not good, Martin said with a snort. That's why we're practicing. They took turns playing the G chord. This is boring. I thought we'd try to play a song or something, said Jerry. We can try. How about Ribbon Road? Martin asked. Jerry looked down at his guitar, singing the notes to himself. He slowly picked out the first 3 notes. Martin tried it as well. He played the 3 notes over and over until they came out smoothly. Ow! My fingers hurt, said Jerry. He put down his guitar. You know, I have a lot of homework tonight. I should get going. After Jerry left, Martin did his own homework. But just before bed, he picked up his guitar and practiced the chords again until he got tired. He decided to practice a little every night before bed. The next week, Jerry said he was throwing in the towel on guitar lessons. He and Martin still hung out, but Jerry stopped talking about his goal of forming a band. One day, Martin played a perfect rendition of Ribbon Road for Jerry. That was good. How'd you do that? Jerry asked. 63 days of practice, Martin said. All right, Kipsters, we are on day 3 of our theme practice, so you are well on your way. First, what is our character's beginning situation? We're going to look back up here. How did it start off? It started off with Jerry and Martin just trying some things on the guitar. Jerry and Martin are trying some things on guitar. What is the ending situation? Well, in the end, Martin could play a song perfectly. Jerry couldn't play it at all. Martin played the song perfectly. Jerry couldn't play at all. And Kipsters, remember, you don't have to have the exact same words as me on these. Just make sure you have your capital letter and your period, and that you have the same ideas as we're going through. Step 3, what did the character learn? Well, we're definitely looking at Jerry. What did Jerry learn? Although I guess Martin kind of learned the same lesson. At the end, we find out that Martin worked really hard and he was practicing a lot and he succeeded. Jerry didn't. So what did they learn? They learned that lots of practice makes you good at something. All right. So now what can we learn? Honestly, we can learn the exact same thing. If you wanted to write the same thing over, that's fine. I'm going to use a little proverb that we use in English. What can we learn? I would say practice makes perfect. I think that works. So now we're going to look for the theme that they give us. Remember, it might be a little bit different, but that's okay. We're just looking for a similar idea. What is the theme of the story Two Guitars? Practice takes time but pays off. Talent is something people are just born with. Jerry didn't practice and therefore never learned to play. A shared struggle can create friendship. All right, let's start from the bottom and move up. A shared struggle can create friendship. It sounds to me at the end here like Jerry's a little bit jealous. I don't think this struggle actually made them better friends. It might have even hurt their friendship a little bit. So that one's not sounding so good. Jerry didn't practice and therefore never learned to play. That's true. However, this is only what Jerry did. We're not talking about something that I can learn. That doesn't teach me anything. We need something more general. We're not talking specifically about Jerry. Talent is something people are just born with. Well, that's definitely not in here because both of them at the beginning couldn't play. So neither of them were born with this ability, right? So practice takes time but pays off. That sounds a lot like practice makes perfect. I'm going to choose that answer. All right, Kipsters, those are your answers for this page. You're now going to get an opportunity to try it on your own. But before we go, as I promised, the word kalimera means good morning, and it is Greek. Kalimera is Greek. So choose Greek so that you can move on in our lesson.